Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix shipping delays with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. Identify the reason for the shipping delay. Check the order status on your Amazon account. Look for any alerts or notifications regarding your shipment. Verify if the item is being shipped from a third-party seller. Contact the seller directly through your Amazon account. Ask for updates on the shipping status. Consider shipping options selected at the time of purchase. Look for potential issues with your shipping address. Ensure there are no typos or errors in your address. If needed, update your shipping address in your account settings. Explore alternative delivery methods, such as Amazon Prime. Check if your item is available for faster shipping options. Review Amazon's estimated delivery dates. If a delay is confirmed, consider canceling the order. Navigate to your order confirmation email for cancellation options. Follow the prompts to initiate a cancellation if eligible. If cancellation is not an option, evaluate your wait time. Be patient, as delays can sometimes be out of Amazon's control. If the delay extends, reach out to Amazon customer service. Have your order details ready for a quicker response. Inquire if there are any compensation options available. Document any communication with Amazon or the seller. Stay updated by frequently checking your order status. Keep track of shipping confirmations and tracking numbers. If persistently delayed, consider filing an A-to-Z guarantee claim. Review Amazon's policies on shipping delays and refunds. Be informed of your rights as a customer on Amazon. Consider leaving feedback regarding your experience for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.